So what we're gonna do today, go figure, a lot of things have changed since the last time I talked to you on YouTube. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm actually driving down a gravel road right now and it's really wet out. Actually got a promotion at my job. I'm now an assistant manager at Hy-Vee, which is awesome. It's 45 hours a week. The pay is pretty decent, not as much as I was making out in Wyoming when I worked at Laramie County Community College, but whatever. So I've worked for the past 7 days, and today's actually the first day I've had off since I started that new position. And I moved back to Missouri to be closer to my family, but I just love it here. And you can, like, if you looked around right now, all you could see is like the fall colors, and I love it. But unfortunately it's raining out, but I'm gonna get the drone out and I'm gonna shoot some footage for you guys just to see the fall colors. Mid-Missouri is awesome. You know, it stays pretty mild throughout the year, and then, you know, around November it gets like somewhat cold, but then, you know, spring comes in March, and that's what I like about Missouri over Wyoming, is the fact that there's 4 seasons here, where in Wyoming it just goes from summer to winter just super quick. So I'm gonna drive for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back out to that point that I shot that first video, take some drone footage of the bluffs there, try to get some of the pretty trees, and then, you know, I might drive to other places around mid-Missouri and get some footage. It's getting kind of late. Today was daylight savings time. It's 2:11 right now, so it's going to be, you know, just a few more hours, and it's going to be dark, which sucks. It's what I hate. You know, it's winter when, you know, 5 o'clock comes and it's already getting dark. So I'll be back in a little bit to show you some drone footage of mid-Missouri and the fall colors. And again, I'm sorry, but this is one of the first days I've had off in a while, and it's kind of crappy out, and I have to work tomorrow. So try to get as good footage as I can for you guys. See you in a bit.